Hi all, welcome to this week's weekly market report by J2 Wealth. This week Nifty ended at 26,178 points, up 1.5% from last week. And Sensex ended at 85,571 points, up by 1.21% from last week. Starting off with world market news, Australia's inflation rate fell within the range of the Reserve Bank of Australia between 2 to 3% for the first time since August 2021. China plans to issue a special issue of sovereign bonds worth 2 trillion yuan, which is about $284 billion, as part of a fresh fiscal stimulus. About 1 trillion yuan of this is meant to stimulate consumption amid concerns of a post-COVID economic recovery in China. Moving into Indian market news, Adani Energy Solutions Limited, the power transmission unit of Adani Group, is valued at $18.5 billion at enterprise value. And with good business growth, it can propel at 29% compounded growth over the next 3 years in its pre-tax profits. Public sector lender Canara Bank raised Rs 10,000 crores through 10-year infrastructure bonds at 7.4%. Bank of India raised Rs 5,000 crores through 10-year instruments at 7.54% in July. Vodafone Idea has signed a $3.6 billion deal with Nokia, Ericsson and Samsung for the supply of network equipments over the course of the next 3 years. This is the first step in the company's Rs 55,000 crore capex plan. Foreign portfolio investors have pumped in over Rs 87,000 crores into the domestic equities this quarter, which is the highest inflow since the quarter ended June 2023. Moving into stocks and news, Reliance Power plans to raise around 6,000 crores to expand operations. They got approval to raise Rs 1,525 crores via preferential issue of shares and warrants. SpiceJet, the airline's board, has approved an issuance of 48.7 crore equity shares at a value of 61.6 rupees for a total value of 3,000 crores to be raised via qualified institutional placement. Retail investors made a combined loss of 1.81 lakh crore rupees in futures and options segment, while only 7.2% of individual traders were profitable. This is disclosed by SEBI. Shriram Finance has raised $500 million by selling 3.5-year fixed-rate dollar bonds for 6.15% across the globe to its investors. National Stock Exchange's valuation has doubled to $36 billion in the last 4 months, as investors expect an initial public offering as early as the first quarter of next year. The markets ended on a flat note last week, but we are expecting some movement in the coming week as a lot of job data are yet to come from US. Thanks for tuning into this week's weekly market report. See you again in the next week. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.